In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a 3-channel Wi-Fi dash cam from the company Pelsee. Check this thing out. This is the P2 Trio. I have not installed it yet, but I did look at it, open it up. Very nicely packaged. They did a really good job on the packaging of this. You got the dash cam, it's labeled, pull it out right there, and then you got the accessories right there. Put that aside, and let's look at the dash cam itself. It all comes out just like this, and look how cool this thing looks. This thing is very premium looking. Peel that off. Peel that off. So this is a 2-way dash cam. So this way is facing back. There's the screen to show you what's showing on the screen. There's the AV input, which is the other camera. There's a Type-C, and this has built-in GPS. And then there's a 3M stick mount for your windshield right there. Now let's open up some of the accessories right here, because you get a ton of accessories with this thing. I'm just going to dump it out right here. This is the rear facing camera. So this will go in the back window and it's facing outwards, filming behind you, or it could go somewhere else, you know, if you want to put on license plates or something like that. Then looking at this, this is a whole kit for installing, which I love it, how much stuff they give you. You get a little cable management wire or a 64 gig micro SD card, some extra little wire management thingies there, some things right here for like a thank you card, and it is app supported, so you will have to get an app, and then some warranty information and a little thing for your headliner to pry it up and get all of these wires ran. This is the power cable, so it is a USB-C, and they gave you a very long cable to install this thing. So I will be putting this thing to the test, and you know what? A little cable for a little cloth for cleaning everything up. How cute is that? This is great for anyone that's got that's going to be doing Uber or Lyft or something like that, or just wants to document it in any type of insurance or anything like that. I highly recommend a dash cam. I have one in my van, and I'm going to be putting this one in my car because I am very impressed with the quality of this thing. So yeah, let me go ahead and get it all put together, and then run the wires and get it set up, and then I'll come back and show you. I'll finish this video. So let's do that now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it all installed. It's been about 2 days later. I've installed it, and then I've been using it for the past 2 days to really see how this thing works, and I can tell y'all I am thoroughly impressed with this camera. This is the best dash cam I have ever seen, and I've installed 3 now, and this one by far is the best. One thing I will do, you see these little connectors here, I will get the wires and get those put up inside there and move that. So what that is, that's the external, that's the rear wire that runs out, and it was super simple to install. You know, excuse this headrest, the guy that had it before me smoked a lot and pretty much ruined the headrest, but it was easy to install that all the way around using this tool right here. The wire is crammed up in there, and then I ran it down through there, and you can see how it goes down through there right there. You see how the rear facing camera's right there? Very easy to run them with this supplied tool. And the wire for this is the USB-C that runs right here, and it goes around, and I ran it around here, ran it down, and you can barely see it right there. It is ran under the dash, comes up, and check it out, everybody. This is still my iPhone cable because it has a charger on the top, so I still have my lightning cable. And look how well that works right there. It runs all the way up under there, and it's hidden nicely. So when I turn the key off, it goes off, and when I turn it back on, it comes on. And you can see how it is. There's 3 cameras. There's a cockpit camera here, there's a forward-facing camera here, and a rear-facing camera back there. The app on here is called the Pelsee, I think is what it's called. And you could see as soon as I pull it up, I have different modes there. There's the front-facing camera. Touch that once. There's the rear. Touch it again. There's the cockpit camera. And there's all 3. So it kind of circulates between all 3. Throw up some footage right now of the forward, rear, and cockpit all at the same time, because you can download them on your phone and keep them because it is kept right here. And I've got it on a loop, and you can see there's buttons under here. So see that, how I can do that lock in right there? I can change the angle. Look how I can mute the screen. I can turn on, hold on. It's got to clear that. So now I just disconnected the app, and you see how it's telling me to connect the app. That will go down after a while, but check it out. You can push right here, and there's different types of parking mode, Wi-Fi, file explorer, settings, voice control, and then you cycle through right here of these. So that lets you know where you're cycling through, and if I want to like turn it on. And this has night vision camera on the front right here. For the price, this is by far the best value of a dash cam that I've ever seen, especially for people that are like Uber, Lyft. This could help get you out of like a ticket one time, or in the event of an accident, you could use this footage and use it. It is on a 1 minute loop, so it records over, but it has a sensor in it, so if it takes a hit, it automatically saves that file and it will not delete that file. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Pelsee, P-E-L-E-E-S, I guess, dash cam, cockpit cam, rear facing cam, pretty much in everything. And voiced, it records voice. Check it out. It records the sound too. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.